guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're gonna reflash the computer in Stuntman Mike's 2016 Camaro SS. All we did, we were gonna raise the shift points, raise the fuel cutoff so he can shift a little higher. Anyway, I guess we'll start and turn her on, Jonathan. Okay, right the vehicle. Right calibration, operate hardware. Hardware TCM. Okay, hit right. Cross your fingers. Okay, and now it's right in the transmission.
Did you change stuff in there?
No. But last time we didn't write the transmission, it left a code saying that there was a communication error. Anyone with experienced 8B tuners on one of these 6 gens, let me know, do we have to write the transmission code even though we didn't change anything? Because last time I didn't, and we ended up with the code saying there was no communication with the TCM. I have no experience on one of these cars. I've only been tuning my 2002 Camaro SS. Right complete. If it don't start, I'm going to start running. So Jonathan can't catch me. Okay, we're connecting the scanner up. Okay, starter. Yeah, right. No, don't start the car.
Maybe we didn't have it on far enough. I'm not.
Oh, it really isn't starting? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Shut it off.
I'll open the door again.
We'll open the door or that one? Okay, try it again. Thought you was joking. Was you messing around with me?
Oh, I wasn't.
See, that's why I don't like to mess around with this car. But I think it did that last time too, didn't it? Remember, we didn't think it was starting, and all of a sudden it did start?
Maybe. Been so long, I forget.
Huh?
Been so long, I forget.
I won't be tuning this car very much, I can tell you that right now.
I'll go uphill first, keep that coast on.
I wasn't watching the computer that time. That again?
Take a deep breath.
Went over 6,700, I know that. How's it feeling to you? I don't know. You're used to it.
Yeah, I can say I know it's going higher, and
It still feels like it's still pulling, right?
it seems like
It felt like it to me that it was still pulling. But
You can't think I'm breaking news.
good.
This quick one. It sounds so nice. You don't need to make it. Them drag radius to break loose like that. I don't know when they're gonna get for tires and all that.
Leave that out. I swore. She got a lot more pull than mine, I can tell you that much.
Them tires just need more of that, didn't they?